Welcome to the channel. Today I will guide you through how to set VIA Browser as your default browser on your mobile device. If you have recently installed VIA Browser and want to make it your main browsing app, this video will show you exactly how. First, open VIA Browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu icon. Then, tap on Settings to access the browser configuration options. Inside the Settings page, find and tap on General. After that, continue scrolling until you see the option to set VIA Browser as your default browser. Click on it to proceed. Then click on Browser App. Next, your device will show a list of all the browser apps installed on your mobile device. From this list, choose VIA Browser to make it your default app for opening links. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.